Hi, welcome to Create in 10. I'm Jess Reason at joyfulcreativeco.com, and today we're going to do a fun activity with color. And this is just to get ideas flowing and spend some time doing something that has no pressure. We're not doing this to sell, though it may spark ideas for a product to sell down the line. But today's you just need either a design program on your computer, iPad, or anything you have handy that you can use color with. So colored pencils, paint, anything, any medium that you would prefer to work in, go ahead and grab that. I am going to use Canva for this because it's just right here and it's easy for me to use. And I am going to make my project size in a 3600 by 3600 pixel size, because if I wanted to use any of this down the line, that is a 12 by 12 inch print size. It's plenty big for me to do anything I would want with it. So today's task is to take one color. I'm going to pick blue because it's my favorite. You can pick any color you would like, and if you don't know what to start with blue. And we're just going to use one color. We're going to spend 10 minutes about making as many different shades and tones and tints and gradients and patterns, whatever you would like to do with that one hue. So if I'm picking blue, I'm going to do some gradients with adding in lighter blues and darker blues. I'm going to maybe make a pattern out of some squares and just see what comes up and just do some exploring with the tools that I have and the color blue. So when you are ready, you can go ahead and pause this, go get your stuff. You can create along with me and hit play, or you can spend time making your own art on your own and then come back and watch what I've made. Or you can skip the end of this altogether if this is all you needed. The idea is to get your brain going and your creativity flowing. So let's begin. All right, in that 10 minutes, I made a lot of different gradients with blues, lighter blues, darker blues. And then I also experimented with some squares of blues. And in that process, I made all of these things that you have seen. And I had the idea sparked, which I wasn't expecting, where when I was looking at the almost quilted looking blue squares of different shades, I thought of, it made me think of this pair of shoes that I saw in a magazine when I was a teenager. It was like Teen Magazine or 17 or something. And it was a denim, like quilted type of shoe. It was a boot. And I thought it was really cool then. I never had a pair, but then that got me to thinking about like kind of how nostalgic that is and how fun it might be to do some sort of coloring book or something with 90s, early 2000s fashion or magazine related or something like that. So just sparked an idea. I don't know if I'll do something with it, but I also enjoyed playing with the gradients in Canva, seeing how I can use those, and just had some fun creating, and it got my brain going and my creativity going. And I hope that you had some ideas sparked as well as you were creating or as you go on to create if you watch this first. And I hope that you come back for more Create in 10s with me, and I'm wishing you many joyful creations.